शुबाए दारू।
दारू।
थोड़ा जान के साथ बोलो ना।
दारू।
Sir, can you show us your celebration after a wicket?
MS धोनी वो फ्री हिट बोलती बट स्टिल वो मेरी फेवरेट विकेट है।
To be honest, it feels like just yesterday. I mean, I had a lot of fun growing up playing cricket.
My advice to you youngsters is love the sport and not like it. There's a big difference between love and like.
All right, we are in the heart of Kolkata, surrounded by some young fans, and I have a little task for you. But it's not a task; it's like a message of love. Okay, it's in Bengali. Do you guys know any Bengali? आपको Bengali आती है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती. Okay, I'm there. I'll teach you. It means you are all amazing, and this is for your fans. You have to say "Tomra shobai daru." मैंने ठीक बोला? ठीक बोला? हाँ, ठीक है. Tomra shobai daru.
तोमरा शुबाए दारू।
दारू।
थोड़ा जान के साथ बोलो ना.
दारू।
Say it again. Three of you. This one. Tomra shobai daru.
तोमरा शुबाए दारू।
Bravo doesn't want to take the chance to.
तोमरा शुबाए दारू।
तोमरा शुबाए दारू।
Yeah! थोड़ा तो प्यार दे दो वापस. Okay, so these guys have been really waiting for you, and they have a lot of questions for you guys as well. Question 1 कौन पूछना चाहेगा? हाँ जी, पूछिए.
So, Bravo, we all know you are a legend of the game, but how do you dance and sing so well?
How do I dance and sing so well? I think coming from the Caribbean, it's part of our culture. I think it's part of your culture also. So I'm sure you can sing and dance also.
Do you know his hook step?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
who wants to ask the second question?
Bravo, we all want to know the secret behind your successful career.
I think I'm very passionate about the game. I love the sport. I think what my advice to you youngsters is love the sport and not like it. There's a big difference between love and like. You have to follow your passion, follow your heart, and also respect your coaches. And your inspiration should always be to make your family proud and represent the country.
Thank you.
Oh, you ready? Wow.
Good morning, English sir. Sir, I just actually want to know what is your favorite T20 shot, and can you do a demo?
Probably the pull shot.
Sir, but I like your cover drive.
So what shot should I play?
Sir, you play all shot very good.
What shot should I demo?
It's a cover drive.
Alright, okay.
You want to take his
Your
bat?
bat?
You want to take his bat? Yeah. पीछे हो जाओ थोड़ा पीछे जाओ पीछे जाओ.
The most important thing is to watch the ball
Yes.
closely. How
Yes.
are you going to do that? You take your head to the ball and hit.
खुश?
Thank you, sir.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
What's your question?
Vaibhav sir, you are an excellent bowler. Which is your most memorable IPL wicket?
MS धोनी वो फ्री हिट बोलती बट स्टिल वो मेरी फेवरेट विकेट है।
इसका रील बन जाएगा.
Bravo, sir. Can you teach us how to bowl a slower?
I'll let Viber teach you because I teach him all the tricks now. So Viber know how to bowl every ball.
Student becomes the teacher.
Yeah, so I don't play anymore.
Thank you, sir.
Thank.
Oh, red ball.
So DJ slower ball is like off cutter. So you have to hold it like this, and in the end you can change your wrist like this, and you just deliver like a off spin.
Off spin.
Yeah.
Good.
Like this, rolling it.
समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
Thank you, sir.
Teacher, well done.
Bowl like a off perfect.
Perfect.
Do you approve?
Yeah, 100.
Does he get an A+?
Yes.
Sir, can you show us your celebration after a wicket?
That you can't delegate. That you'll have to do on your own.
That's it. That is dance.
Korbo lorbo jeetbo re. Avi KKR.
Okay, we are at the Mohammedan Cricket Academy. Does it feel nostalgic? आप भी यही थे. कुछ ही महीने पहले भी बोल सकते हैं. आप भी अभी academy जाते हो तो थोड़ा nostalgic feel होता है when you come here. And now that you're showing kids how to bowl and how to bat.
एग्जैक्टली लाइक 10 साल पहले ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया था कैरियर क्रिकेट का, तो ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया था. इनको देख के ऐसे लग रहा है कि लाइक वापस उसी जगह पे पहुंच गए हैं. वही मतलब स्ट्रगलिंग टाइम, वही मेहनत जो इतनी की है वो सब याद आता है इनको देख के. तो इनमें से कल को यहाँ कोई खड़ा होगा, क्रिकेट के लिए खेल रहा होगा, इंडिया के लिए खेल रहा होगा, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है देख के.
Ankush?
To be honest, it feels like just yesterday. I mean, I had a lot of fun growing up playing cricket. I still have a lot of fun. So I'd just say, just keep having fun, and before you know it, you'll be here.
Yeah.
Because you are also
And you've had Abhishek Nair, who was at the academy, who mentored you, and he's at KKR as well. How has your journey been with him as coach?
I can't even begin to tell you how important he's been for me. For cricket and for life, he's told me just how ways to improve myself, ways to become a better human and a better cricketer. So I think for all of you, the most important thing is surround yourself with good people so that you can look up to them and you can also become a good person.
अच्छी advice है, सुन लो ये. Okay, Vaibhav, talking about your bowling, you've had the best coach with you currently here, and he's just excellent. How is it being guided by him? How has he changed your game? And I'm talking about Bravo.
एग्जैक्टली लाइक आप देखोगे कि इस साल डेथ में भी कितनी अच्छी बॉलिंग हो रही है. लाइक मैं लास्ट ईयर तक डेथ में बॉलिंग में नहीं कर रहा था, तो ऑल क्रेडिट्स डीजे को जाते हैं. बिकॉज इनके साथ नेट्स में प्रैक्टिस में बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया डेथ बॉलिंग के ऊपर, जो इन्होंने इतने साल रूल किया है डेथ बॉलिंग को IPL में. तो वही गाइडेंस मेरे को मिल रही है, एंड उसी की वजह से मैं डेथ में अच्छा कर पा रहा हूँ KKR के लिए.
Amazing. Feels good to hear that?
You didn't understand.
Yeah, I feel good.
You feel good. You just know he said the right thing.
Yes.
He buttered you up
I
enough.
think, yeah, but as he mentioned, even in practice and stuff, for me, again, I'm not going to coach much about the technical side of the game.
Yeah.
His outswing, his in-swing, that's his natural gift. For me, what I bring to the table is to add that game sense, feel to the game, and that pressure that you will encounter in a game.
And
so
how
you
to
try to
face
put that
that.
into the nets. Well, once you do it in the nets and you put your mind and your body through it in a net session, when the game time comes, it becomes easier because your brain will automatically remember what you did
Of course.
in the nets. So.
Lovely. So we're not going to take you to the nets, but we are going to take you to somewhere special where some cricket skills are going to be tested, including mine. Before we wrap up, we have some dressing room secrets that you guys have to leak, because I am not allowed there and no one else is. So please tell me, Bravo, who is the most stylish player in the dressing room, and do not name yourself.
That's easy. Ashad Rana.
Weber, which player is the biggest prankster?
Prankster, I think Ramandeep Singh.
Ramandeep?
Yeah.
I wouldn't think that. Okay.
Only the biggest prank.
Yeah. Ankush, who has the best collection of shoes?
Probably Weber or Ramandeep Singh.
Oh, really? Okay. And DJ Bravo, who's the best dancer, and you can name yourself.
The best dancer.
Yeah. You. It was evident.